During the session that lasts for first to second sitting within the same day, while presenting the application of the appeal, counsel to the appellant Sani Sha'aban, Barrister Usman Gambo, requested permission again to amend some point of grounds in the application, but was followed with strong objection and defense from counsel to the respondent Alhaji Umar Farukh, senior advocate of Nigeria, San Abdullahi Yahya, describing the attempt against the rule of the appeal process. It will be recalled that the Kaduna State High Court at Zaria has in its previous sitting fined Honorable Sani Sha'aban, Dan-Buran Zazzau 100,000 naira for presenting a faulty document during an appeal hearing in a long-running debt recovery case on May 2025 through his counsel's Barrister Usman Gambo. Respondent counsel senior advocate of Nigeria, Abdullahi Yahya, raised a strong objection, informing the court that the document was faulty and which was not signed by the originating court, describing it as deliberately fabricating the document in an attempt to mislead the court and delay justice. He also underscored his client Alhaji Umar Farukh's urgent need to recover the debt for essential project. After reviewing the submission, the court imposed a 100,000 naira fine on Honorable Sani Sha'aban to compensate the respondent for misconduct, specifically for tendering an inadmissible and faulty document as evidence. Subsequently, in the Wednesday sitting, 23rd July 2025, the court gave both parties equal opportunity to present their argument of the appeal. Sha'aban's lawyer Usman Gambo seeks the court to allow the appeal to set aside the judgment of the lower court against his client Sani Sha'aban, which he said the repayment of the debt of $709,238 and 11,200,000 naira was subject to sell his properties, and the resolution period between them was not over before the judgment. Responding to the argument, the respondent counsel Yahya highlight instances where Sha'aban and his legal team failed to fulfill the debt agreement after the part payment within the settlement period granted by the Upper Sharia Court before delivering its judgment on 12 February 2024 against Sha'aban. The presiding judge, Justice Yakubu Badamasi, supported by Justice Kabir Dabo, after carefully reviewing the whole process, announced the court stands to pass the judgment at the next appeal session. After the sitting, the respondent counsel Abdullahi Yahya expressed satisfaction that the appeal has been heard. They will now wait for the judgment.
My lords have adjourned it for judgment. To when the judgment is ready, they will notify us. So I'm happy that we've been able to, the appeal has been taken, and at least we have done our own part. Now it's for my lords to do their own part and give us a decision when they are ready. At least so that whoever is not satisfied can move forward.
Also, counsel to the appellant Sani Sha'aban, Barrister Usman Gambo, speaks on the court judgment coming up next session of the appeal hearing.
The court just heard from both parties and then a reserved judgment till further notice. We are going to be notified.
The appeal originates from a February 2024 judgment by the judge Salihu Ishaq Madahu of the Upper Sharia Court, Zaria, which found Sha'aban liable for debts owing to Alhaji Umar Farukh he borrowed when he was in financial distress at UAE Dubai. The court ordered the sale of Sha'aban's properties in Zaria and Kano, including a resident at GRA Zaria, to repay the outstanding debt totaling $709,238 and 11,200,000 naira. Sani Abdullahi, LV Hood News.